Hello everyone. In this class I will tell you about simple interest. When I am saying simple interest, basically there are certain terms which we should understand. The first is principal, written as P. The second is rate. This is also known as rate of interest. And this is written as R. Then the third is time, which is written as T, and the fourth is simple interest, that is SI. First of all, we understand that what is principal. Principal is actually the money which we deposit in the bank or which we put somewhere so that the bank or some other organization give some interest on it. Now the point is from where this concept of interest has come. If in case today I am purchasing something, a chair for rupees 100. Now, if in case I will go after 1 year and want to purchase the same chair, will it cost me rupees 100 or will it cost me more than rupees 100? Then here the answer is that the cost will be more than rupees 100, because every year the price of something keeps on increasing because of there is term inflation. So here when we talk about interest, I want that if I deposit rupees 100 with a bank with which I can purchase a chair, next year bank should give me back some more money so that I can purchase this chair the next year as well. Or suppose I need 110 rupees now to purchase this chair. So I am saying that bank is giving me 10 rupees more on the principal so that I can purchase the same chair the next year. This rupees 10 which is extra is considered to be the interest. Now when I am saying the simple interest, P is the principal which we deposit in the bank. The second thing is rate of interest. When I am saying the rate of interest, it is basically first of all in the percentage format. If I am saying that the rate of interest is 10%, that actually means that on every rupees 100, the bank will give 10 rupees as the interest. With this 10%, it should always be written that this 10% is the interest for how much period. So normally in the question it is PA, this is known as per annum or per year or annum. So basically when I am saying the rate of interest is 10% per annum, that actually means on every rupees 100, bank will give me 10 rupees extra in a year so that again I can purchase the same quantity. Then the third thing is time. When I am saying about time, whatever money I deposit in the bank, bank will return me some money, but that depends on after how much time I am taking it back. If I take it back after 1 year, the money which the bank will return is less. If I will take it after 5 years, it will be more. If I take it after 20 years, it will again be more than that. So there is a simple formula, that is simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Because I already told the rate is given in percent, that actually means upon 100. So this is the rate percent, this is the time, and this is the principal. As we have already seen in the chapter proportion, that if some quantity is increasing and the other quantity is also increasing in the same proportion, then it is known as directly proportion. Here in this question, if I deposit more money in the bank, definitely I will get more interest. So simple interest is directly proportional to the principal. Same way, if the rate of interest is more, then also the simple interest will increase. If the time is more, then also the interest will be more. So simple interest is directly proportional to the principal, the rate, and the time. That is why we come to the formula simple interest is equal to P principal into rate into time upon 100. Now this is the only formula which we have to understand. If in case I want to find out the formula for rate of interest, we can cross multiply in this. The formula becomes rate of interest is equal to simple interest multiplied by 100 upon principal multiplied by time. Same way I can calculate the formula for principal, for time, or for the rate. So these are basically the formula which we have derived from the same formula, and this we can see in our chapter on formulas. Now the question is, there is one more term, that the money which we get back from the bank is known as amount. And we already understood that the principal is the money which we deposit, the simple interest is the interest which the bank gives to us. So the amount is nothing but it is principal plus simple interest. When I am saying principal plus simple interest, this is another formula. So one of the formula is simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. The another formula is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. If in case we talk about this formula, we can put it like this. There is a term principal, there is a term rate, there is a term time, and there is the fourth term simple interest. Normally out of these four, any three things are given to us, and the fourth we have to find out. So either the principal, rate and time is given, and we have to find out the simple interest. Maybe the principal, the rate and the simple interest is given, and we have to find out the time. Maybe this and this is given, we have to find out the rate, or the last three things are given and we have to find out the principal. So we can see this in the next video, that how we can solve the question which are based on this point. Thank you.